How are you all? Can you guess the look I have created today? No? I'll give you one hint. Can you guess it now? If you don't know, then it's the look from Terminator. If you have seen Terminator movie, I literally loved that movie as a kid. So I thought of recreating it. So let's start. Hi guys, my name is Sakshi Chaturvedi and welcome to my channel. So today I'm recreating this look from the movie The Terminator. So let's dive into the video. So I always apply foundation on my face before I do any face art. You can skip this step if you want to. Using hair gel to stick my eyebrows, and I'll apply it only one side of my face where my main part of face art will be. Using an eyebrow pencil, I'm sketching out all the details on my face. Also, let me know in the comment section if you have seen the Terminator movie as a kid. Now that I'm done with the sketching, I'm taking my face paint which I use. This is from Snazaroo, and don't worry about the products. I'll link all the products in the description box so you can check it there. So whatever I have drawn on my face, I'm just following it with the black face paint. Disclaimer, if you want to recreate this look, it's not easy. This look has a lot of detailing and I literally regret it while I was doing because I was so tired of doing it. The detailings, the shading and everything. So try it on your own risk. Keep practicing. Maybe you can do it way better. Now that I'm done with outlining everything, I'm going in with white and applying it on the area where the metal part is supposed to be. Also, if you don't know, the main character in Terminator movie is actually a robot, but he got the body of human. And there is this scene where he goes to fight the enemies and he got some burns on his face through which the actual robot part can be seen. So that is like my main concept. I'm creating my half face of robot and half face of human, but in the middle it's like burned out. Also here I have mixed white with black to create that grayish shade to make it more look like metallic. Now that I'm done with the metallic area, I'm just filling all the empty area with black. So I have this palette which got all the black, grey and white shades. Now it's time for the detailing. Now that I'm done with the shading, now it's time to add drama in this look. So I'm adding blood in it. So I'm just going around the edges and I'm taking this brush and splashing out the blood like it's scattered everywhere. Also adding black around the edges to make it look like in this look. I'm taking purple and a little black and going around the scars to make my scars pop out. As you can see, I have already done it on my forehead wala scar, so you can see it there. And now it's time to make our metal part a little more metallic by adding white. It's like adding highlighter to and now it's time to add kajal and lashes and we'll do the shoot. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed creating it. Also please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and you can watch all my videos on my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram for more updates. So I'll see you in next video. Until then, bye.